Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light on this Audi Q2. As you can see, first thing what we're going to do is, so the car is currently running, but you can see that spanner symbol located over there. And if I turn the ignition off, as you can see, oil change juice coming on. So what we do is, I'm going to turn the ignition on. This one's not keyless entry, so we'll literally just turn the key on. As you can see, then we'll move over here to the infotainment system. What we're going to do now is we're going to use this scrolling tool here, and we're going to scroll to vehicle car basically, and we're going to press enter. As you can see, so you just push that down for enter, and as you can see, we've got efficiency, comfort. These are just the riding configurations that you can use. So you can use for comfort, auto, dynamics, so whatever driving style you would literally want to drive in. However, a lot of people don't know about this, but if you click this left button, so we're going to click on that, as you can see, it takes us over to what we need, as you can see. So we're going to go down to service and checks. It's literally just turning this to flick through various icons. So we go to service, press enter, and as you can see, that's where you can also reset your tire pressure as well. And then we go to service, and we're going to press enter. And you can see we're going to reset the oil light, so we're going to press enter again on that button, and we're going to confirm it by pressing yes. So obviously we do want to reset that. As you can see, it's now been reset, you can see on the dash. Now if we go back over here, as you can see, there's no spanner symbol on, and if I turn the vehicle off, turn it back on, as you can see, that light's now gone out. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.